Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video we're talking about how to view your Interac E-Transfer history on TD Bank app. Firstly, launch the TD Bank mobile app on your smartphone. Log in using your credentials, of course. Tap on the menu icon. There's going to be three horizontal lines located in the top left or top bottom right corner. After that, from the menu choose Interac E-Transfer, Interac. Within the e-transfer section, locate and tap on History or Transaction History. This section will display both sent and received e-transfers. Use available filters like date, range, amount, or recipient name to find specific transactions. Tap on any transaction to view details information such as date, recipient's name, email address, transaction status, for example, completed, pending, or cancelled. And some version of the app may allow you to download or screenshot transaction details for your records. And that's how it's basically done, guys. Thank you for watching. Press like, subscribe, see you in the next one.